He's restoring. And as he restores, you won't see any evidence of the pain, of the hurt. There will be no more triggers. Oh, Rabashandarabaha. You won't build a wall around your heart. No more hardened hearts. But you will have a heart of flesh again. A heart that is beating with blood. A heart that feels. A heart that loves. A heart of compassion. Oh, Chikorebosaya. He's doing it today. Receive it. Receive it. Receive it today. Receive it today. It's yours. This is a month of miracles. He's performing miracles in many of you because it's been so long.